In my wildest dreams, I never would have pictured the man standing there in front of me. And as I walk down the aisle just to meet him, I see my heart's desire husband to be. As we open the next chapter of our story and share it with the ones we love most dear, in my heart all I can do, Lord, is thank you. It's the safety of your love that brought us here. There's no way to explain the joy I'm feeling today, marrying this amazing man I don't deserve. And there's no fear, no shame, no doubt, just a heart that wants to shout. I need the world to know, Thabani, you are my something better. Couldn't have imagined it ever, that there was more God had for me. That's why God's ways are greater. That's why He's our creator. Jesus, I get it now, I see. This is my something better. Couldn't have imagined it ever, that there was more God had for me. Oh, that's why His way is much greater. That's why He's our creator. He had so much more for me. A wife to this young man